Hello student, today we'll start with exercise 5.3 of algebraic expression. So exercise 5.3. So before we proceed with the exercise, first you have to know about the degree of in an algebraic expression. Algebraic expression, degree of an algebraic expression. So if here, in order to understand the degree, first you have to understand about single variable. So algebraic expression with single variable. So here single variable, if I write x expression, first let me show you an expression, x squared plus x plus 1. This is an algebraic expression. So in this algebraic expression, clearly this, I think three terms are there, and here variables are single variables. Exponents are there. Highest exponents will give us there is two variables. Highest exponent will give us the degree of the algebraic expression. If they ask you, find out the degree of this following algebraic expression. So in this expression, what we have seen, the single variable x to the power 2 and x to the power 1. Highest exponent will give us the degree. That means the degree is 2. So the exponent will give us the degree. The single variable is single, here more than one variable. So to understand that more than one variable, if I write 7x squared 1, 7x squared y, more than one variable, two variables are there. So to get the degree of it, 2 plus here x to the power 2, y to the power 1, that is 3. So the degree is 3. So we have to add up the exponent in order to get the degree of this. So terms, and if you see here the variables, if it is more than one variable, we have to add up the exponent of it. Now again another example, 3x cube y cube. In order to find out the degree, 3 plus 3, the exponent, we are adding the exponent, so the degree is 3. So here I think it is clear. In order to find out the degree of an algebraic expression, we have to, if it is a single variable, directly the highest power will give us. If it is 4, if it is x to the power 4, then the degree of this expression is 4, because the highest power will give us the degree. If it is a single variable is single. If it is a more than one variable, two variables are there, we are adding up and we are getting the. So in that expression, if you add up all the variables, exponent of the terms, then the highest will give us the degree of the following algebraic expression. Now here, next, in order to proceed with this exercise 5.3, you have to know another terms, that is regarding monomial, binomial and trinomial or polynomial. So first things, it is monomial. You have to know about monomial. Monomial means single term. So if it is just single terms, one term, here also one term. Examples, no? So examples of monomial, single term, one terms. So if it is just one term, that means it is named as, if the expression which has only one term, it is called a monomial. Similarly, if you say two terms, if it expression contains two terms, then it is binomial. Binomial. Two terms, right? If I write twice x plus 4y, two terms are there. So definitely it is a binomial. Two terms are there in this algebraic expression. If it is 3 terms, if it is 3 terms, then it is, if it is 3 terms, then it is trinomial. 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 If 3 terms are there in the algebraic expression, if 3 terms are there in the algebraic expression, then it is a trinomial. So 3 terms, if you say like 3x squared plus 4y plus 1, 3 terms are there in this algebraic expression, so it is a trinomial. If it is more than 2 or 4 terms, more than 2 terms or 4 terms, then it is called polynomial. Then another 4 terms they are mentioning here in our book. They classify it into monomial, binomial, trinomial, and polynomial. But in some books they are mentioning about multinomial. But here in our book, so we have to classify here into 4 ways, basically monomial, binomial, trinomial. Then if it is more than 3 terms, then it is polynomial definitely, but they have clearly mentioned 2 or more terms, then it is, we can express it as polynomial. So now it is clear, I think. First I have explained regarding degree of an algebraic expression. Then secondly, we are discussing about the names of the terms, if it is a monomial, binomial, trinomial, polynomial, depending on the number of terms presently in an algebraic expression. So now I will start with the exercise. If you see exercise 5.3, question number 1. If you see question number 1a, 7x to the power 8 plus 12x to the power 9 plus 13x to the power 11 plus x. So I think it is clear all these are terms. In all these terms here single variables, first 8, here 8, here the exponent is 9, here the exponent is 11, here the exponent is 1. So what we have seen in all these single variable exponents, 8, 9, 11, highest exponent is 11. So therefore we know the highest exponent will give us the degree of the following algebraic expression. The highest exponent is 11. So the degree of this algebraic expression is 11. Now I think it is clear with the concept, like highest exponent will give us the degree. Same way, now next, if I come with question number 2, clear I think now here with this. Second, same question, if I do another sum, like before I proceed with question number 2, if I say question number C, 4y cube plus 16x squared y squared plus 3x squared. So here first exponent 3, here to get the exponent 2, this is a more than one variable, 2 variables are there, we have to add up the exponent. 2 plus 2, 4, here 1 plus 1, that is 2, here the variable is 1, here variable exponent, if you see here exponent is 1, here exponent is 1, 2, here 2, here 2, if you add up 4. So now if you see the first term exponent is 3, second term 4, third term 2. So definitely the highest exponent will give us the degree of this. So the highest exponent is 4. So the degree of this algebraic expression is 4. So finally we will get the degree is 4. Now the next question, I think now you have followed, you can do the rest. 3 more sums are left, then you can complete the book. Now we'll proceed with question number 2. Now if you see question number 2, classify the algebraic expression in monomial, binomial or trinomial. So question number 2a, 4x² plus 3x plus 7. So first term, second, third term, 3 terms are there. So definitely if it is 3 terms, definitely they are mentioning as they have mentioned classified monomial, binomial or trinomial. So 3 terms, trinomial. So if it is 3 terms, if you see question number B also there are 3 terms, so it is trinomial. Question number C also 2 terms are there, so it is binomial. So last question, if you see I, that is 14y. If you see I, 14y, single terms is there, so it is a monomial. So clearly means very simple, it is depending on the number of terms you have to name it, you have to classify it. So very simple, practice it, finish up the work in a Classwork copy. Thanks for listening.